All right, yes. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everyone who is watching. My name is Maurice, the crochet master. And yes, you're there and you want to sleek your natural hair without using the gel. I'd like you to stick on this video so that you can learn how to do this. Now, this is the hair. If you try to look at it, I realize that her head is very small. If you try to look at it, let's say we're trying to sleek it. When we sleek, that means the hair just slips like this and her head is small. So we need just to sleek it without the gel. We maintain the volume, and this is how we're going to be doing in this video. So please just give me your time if you're a new subscriber so that we can do this together.
Sometimes you need a little loving. Oh, I gotta call like a video, Shanane. Hey, you need some little pampering. Domuko no mukugo bumanyiche kukora. Kitake wa crochet master. Yakugu kamo viri kati master. Makeup uono genius. Akukola kono nyuma. Jangu wa crochet master. Come on. Jangu. Together. Morris. Yeah, it's Maurice the hair, the crochet master. Yeah.
It's so light as a tango on the head, easy to maintain. You can hold the puff and move around so free. Yeah, so styleable, portable, ever available. I know you like hair, so come get the zipper curl, the zipper curl, ever available. I know you like hair, so come get the zipper curl, the zipper curl, the zipper curl, the zipper curl.
Yeah. I don't know what they did, but you look so beautiful. Movie time byange wasomye. Otunulanga Miss Independent. Your hair so perfect. Looks like it was made straight out of heaven. Yeah, Oli Malaika from head to your toes. Bakukozeko oli chiso. Eyo jovude bamanyi kye bakola. Bakole biriko hair back clippers. Yeah. Hair back clippers. Bally knit like expected. Hair back clippers. Yeah. Hair back clippers. Body neat like expected. Whoa, yeah. Oh, na. Hair by clipper. Hair by clipper. Bakabi. Hair by clipper. Hair by clipper. Bakabi. Abalala bakopa, we set the trend. Abalala baiya, oh na. Tuli bakugu mu byembiri. Abalala bakopa, we set the trend. Abalala baiya, oh na. Tumanyi tute, bakuguka mu beauty gwe ha tumanyi beauty tumanyi beauty gwe hey by clipper hey by clipper bakabi hey by clipper hey by clipper bakabi by clipper hey by clipper bakabi gwe by clipper hey by clipper Hair by Clipper Salon, located in Ntunda Ministers Village alongside Chambogo Road. Hair by Clippers, neat like expected. Forgive me if I'm too bold, now on you me de no kamala. Bakutonye tonya kaviri, kulia kulaba kakwe gomba, ufananye African queenie. Manicure, pedicure, checho. Wali one we see the crochet master, body professional, movie and video bakugunyo. If you wanna look good, come and visit. Bakukola kaviri, no la bikanga queenie. Body neat like expected, so good and fancy. Bakukola kaviri, no la bikanga mutini. Body neat like expected, so good and elegant woman.
Ministers Village alongside Chambogo Road.
The Ministers Village
alongside Chambogo Road.
Hair by Clipper.
Yeah, it's Boris the Hairstyle, the crochet master.
It's so light as a tango on the head, easy to maintain. You can hold the puff and move around so free. Yeah, so styleable, portable, ever available. I know you like hair, so come get the zipper curl, 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 the zipper curl.
Mubitabe byange wasumye otunulanga Miss Independent. Your hair so perfect, Looks like it was made straight out of heaven. Yeah, Oli Malaika from head to your toes. Bakukozeko oli chiso. Eyo jovude bamanyi kye bakola. Bakole biriko hair by clippers. Yeah. Hair by clippers. Balling it like expected. Hair by clippers. Yeah. Hair by clippers. Balling it like expected. Neat like expected. Whoa, oh, oh, yeah. Oh, na, 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 na.
Number one, a big thing. Yeah. Bano beba number one. Boli chimuba chikola from the art. Obukuku wa pull up. The moli muyiga bona bachiso. Nobody can ever run them. Crochet master movie, him a run them. Ujembi ribakuwa, balinga high grade kweva soma. All of them are styles, them a do for you. Them a make you look nice and sexy too, yeah. Bano beba number one. Boli chimuba chikola from the art. Obukuku wa pull up. The moli muyiga bona bachiso, yeah. Nobody can ever run them. Crochet master movie, him a run them. Ujembi ribakuwa, balinga high grade kweva soma. All of them are styles, them a do for you. Them a make you look nice and sexy too, yeah. For the beautiful woman, yeah. Come around here by clippers, yeah. They are by clippers fire. Dolina chongaba. Hair by clippers fire. Oh no, no. Explores the hairstyle, the crochet master.
It's so light as a tongue on the head. Easy to maintain. You can hold the puff and move around so free. Yeah.
So styleable, portable, ever available.